Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday, the 8th of October 2017, and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the weekend in the 6th of October. Gold fell last week by $3, from $1,279 to $1,276, having hit a high of $1,281 and a low of $1,261. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £976. That's up £21. And in euros, it closed at €1,087. That's up €4 on the week. Silver rose 17 cents, from $16.65 to $16.82, having hit a high of $16.86 and a low of $16.35. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.87. That's up 44 pence for the week. And in euros, it closed at 14.34 euros. That's up 0.24 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell from 76.82 to 1 to 75.86 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 22,773, down 1 point on the day, but up 368 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 6,590, up 4 points on the day and up 95 points on the week. Brent crude fell $1.17 from $56.79 to $55.62. And US light crude fell $2.38 from $51.67 to $49.29. The dollar index stands at 93.80. That's up 0.73 on the week. The US jobs market stalled in September, losing 33,000 jobs as Hurricanes Harvey and Irma took their toll. It was the first time in 7 years that the US monthly total had recorded a fall. This caused gold prices to become quite volatile, plus the further threats issued by North Korea. Technical analysts believe that should gold fall below the 1260 level, then this would prove bearish for gold. And we predict this is what will happen very soon indeed. We also said last week that be prepared for a rise in the value of the dollar. And this again started to occur, and we foresee further strengthening of both the dollar and stock markets, thereby adding further pressure on gold prices. That $1,200 level is well within our sights. Silver markets on Friday proved equally as volatile as gold, initially sinking with the jobs report and then recovering with the North Korea threat. Silver did well last week considering all of the factors affecting its price. However, we hold to the position that $16.50 will be a mid-price for a short while, and we can see prices again falling back to the $16 level and into the late 15s. We have noticed recently that 1 or 2 subscribers seem to glee at the fact that perhaps our weekly forecast may be wrong by 1 to 2% now and again. Let us perhaps remind those critics of 2 key factors. The first is that we have always said that we look at the market over the medium to long term and only provide short-term forecasts really in order to keep the subject alive and to identify more clearly those factors which tend to affect this market. Secondly, it's rather ironic that they criticize our forecast for being out, say, $1 on silver and perhaps $20 in gold, when some of the gurus they seem to worship and are disciples of have been out by as much as $700 since 2011 on gold and over $30 on silver. May we remind them that it was only a few months ago that $20 to $25 silver and $1,400 to $1,500 gold was again being predicted by these pumpers, while we have continued to remain generally subdued on their price. Just ask yourself one thing. How many people on here have been saying the corner has turned and gold and silver prices are about to explode? Well, quite frankly, you could not have had in recent months much more serious political information being revealed to cause gold and silver prices to do just that. And it hasn't. Remember a couple of years ago, the situation in the Ukraine and Syria, and how gold was going to reach its all-time high because of the conflicts with Russia. Nope, has not happened. So to those who take pleasure in being scornful, perhaps you should direct that scorn elsewhere, as we are particularly proud of our record so far, especially when one considers by how much oil prices have plunged, stock markets have rocketed, and the US dollar has weakened. Don't worry. Short of the proverbial black swan, we will give plenty of notice when we believe the tide has well and truly turned in favour of precious metals. And whilst we do not envisage any collapse in their prices, we equally do not envisage any major resurgence this year either. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/IlluminatiSilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.